Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss some questions about trigonometric ratios, class 9 ICSE board. The question is, if cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3, show that 1 minus cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta equal to 3 by 5. Okay, we have got the value of cot theta. Now our aim is to find out cos theta and sin theta. Let's start. So cot theta is equal to b by p, means 1 by root 3. We have got the value of b 1 and the value of p root 3. Now we have to find h. In order to find h, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. H is equal to p square plus b square whole root. P's value is root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. Okay, you know that root 3's whole square is 3 plus 1's whole square is 1. We will add this 4, root 4 equal to 2. We have got h equal to 2. Now we will find cos theta and sin theta. So here cos theta is equal to b by h. b by h. B by h. So b is 1, h is 2. 1 by 2. Now sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Okay, cos theta is b by h, base by hypotenuse equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is p by h equal to root 3 by 2. Now we will take this as LHS. Now we will solve LHS. So LHS is 1 minus cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta. Now we will substitute the value. 1 minus cos theta's value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square by 2 minus sin root 3 by 2 whole square. Now 1 minus 1 by 4 whole by 2 minus 3 by 4. You know that if here is 1, then we can direct multiply this to this, means 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 by 4. We are taking this here. So what would this? 8 minus 3 by 4. So it will become 4 by 8 minus 3. 4 minus 1 equal to 3 by 4 into 4 by 5. Okay, now we can cancel this 4 and our answer become 3 by 5. This is our RHS. So LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay, this is our RHS we have got, and this is same as this. We have solved our question. Thank you.